Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we about to get busy in this kitchen today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Parmesan garlic bacon cheeseburger lasagna. Yeah, man, that's a mouthful and a belly full. So get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our ingredients for today's recipe. Back here we have our ground beef. We have some ricotta cheese here, tomato sauce, these two dishes, Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, some crumbled bacon, tomato paste, some chopped garlic, chopped onion, black pepper, seasoned salt, also black pepper and seasoned salt here, and some shredded cheddar cheese. So, and let's not forget, we have our lasagna noodles here. That's all you're gonna need. Let's jump into it. All right, to get started, we're gonna bring a pot of water up to boil to prepare our lasagna noodles. Once that water is boiling, add your little salt. Prepare your lasagna noodles according to box instructions. Let's move over to our cooktop so we can start making our meat mixture. All right, so here at our cooktop, we're gonna add our ground beef. We're gonna season that with some seasoned salt and pepper. We're gonna add our onions and our garlic. And we're gonna cook this until our meat is brown and those onions soften. All right, so it looks like we're there. We got our ground beef brown like we wanted. We're gonna pause our heat. Now, if you have any fat, you definitely wanna go ahead and get that drained off at this point. So I'm gonna move over here because I got a little fat, get mine drained off, and we're gonna come back. All right, so we're gonna unpause our heat. We're gonna add in our tomato sauce. And if you're gonna use some tomato paste, go ahead and add that also. We're gonna get this stirred in, turn the heat down to low. Once we get it all mixed in, we're gonna let this cook here on low for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so we're about 10 minutes in. We just wanted those flavors to kind of mesh together. So now what I'm gonna do is turn off our heat. We're gonna set this aside until it's time to start building out our lasagna. Let's move over to our cutting board. So the next step was we're gonna start building out our cheese mixture. So we're gonna add our ricotta cheese here in an empty dish. We're gonna add our Parmesan cheese, our black pepper, seasoned salt, and we're gonna use an egg. And now we're just gonna get that mixed in here. If you wanna leave the egg out, you can, but what it does, it just helps bind the layers of the lasagna, kind of holds it together. And that's what we have right there. So now we're gonna move over and start building our lasagna. All right, so to continue with the recipe, we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 375 degrees. We're going to take a small, maybe like a half a cup of our mixture, add it to our pan, and we're gonna like spread it off across the bottom. Now I did spray the bottom layer with a little cooking spray. Now we're gonna take about 3 noodles and we're gonna layer those babies right on top of that meat mixture. These babies are hot too. Woo! Just like that. So now you wanna take a cup of the ricotta mixture and you wanna spread it over the top of this layer of noodles. Next, you're gonna take a third of your meat sauce. We're gonna add that. This is about a cup, and we're gonna spread this also over the top of our cheese mixture. Next, we're gonna take some cheddar cheese, and we're gonna sprinkle this over the top. Just a little, this is like a third of a cup. Followed by some bacon pieces. And all we're gonna do now is repeat with a second layer. Add our lasagna noodles. Now we're gonna run through the rest of the process. I'm gonna add my ricotta cheese and we're gonna get this baby built out, all right? So right here, I started adding my ricotta cheese. I don't know if I was recording, but I'm adding the last cup of ricotta cheese. My mixture made about 2 cups. You do half on the first layer and half on the second layer. So last thing we're gonna do is add our half cup of Parmesan cheese here. All right, so we're gonna cover this with aluminum foil. I already sprayed our aluminum foil with some cooking spray. That way that cheese doesn't stick to our pan, to our foil. Cover this tightly, just like that. We're gonna stick it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Let it bake covered. Then we're gonna pull it out, remove the foil, and bake it for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and get it in the oven. All right, so we are here after about 25 minutes. Let's go and see what we got. Oh man, look at that right there. Look at how impressive that is. Just a little cheese on top of that, but not much. Guys, this is impressive. Looks good. So now we're gonna stick it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes to let it finish cooking, and we're gonna come back. All right, so this is what we have after 15 minutes in the oven. Lastly, we're gonna hit it with some of that green stuff, a little parsley, just to bring out some more of that color. And there you have it, Parmesan garlic bacon cheeseburger lasagna. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. All right, so this is the favorite part of the show. We gotta bring our lasagna. It always gotta come up to the front of the congregation. Man, look at that. Oh man. Woo. Let's go ahead and try this baby out. Oh man. It's hot too. Oh man. Oh man. This one right here is fire, guys. One more. Can I do one more? I'm gonna end it. Just let me do one more, man. I'm gonna burn my mouth trying to eat this, baby. Wow. So this is definitely one to add to your all wings everything recipe to-do list. So until then, y'all already know who I am. This is all wings everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace. Good, Google movie.